Ever wondered how to make your lines in Canva stand out more? Today, I'm going to show you the easiest way to thicken your lines and give your designs a bold, professional look. First, start by selecting the line you want to adjust. Once it's highlighted, look at the top toolbar. There's an icon called Line Style. Click on it and you'll see a weight option. This is where the magic happens. You can either drag the slider to make your line thicker or type in a specific number if you want a precise thickness. But that's not all. If you're creating lines from scratch, go to the Tools menu and choose the Line Drawing option. After drawing your line, the same weight option is available, allowing you to customize it exactly how you want. This gives you full control over the look and feel of your lines, whether you're designing charts, illustrations, or simple decorations. A little tip: thicker lines aren't just about visibility. They can also change the style of your design, making elements pop or creating emphasis in the right places. Don't be afraid to experiment with different thicknesses to see what fits your project best. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can transform simple lines into bold, eye-catching elements in your Canva designs. Try it out, play around with the thickness, and watch your designs come to life.